Most people think garlic chives are just a garnish, but watch this. One plant in my garden gives me 4 completely different recipes from spring through summer. If you've only been sprinkling these on soup, you're missing out big time. Let me show you what chefs actually do with garlic chives. First up, scrambled eggs, but not just any scrambled eggs. These garlic chive ribbons turn basic eggs into something restaurant quality. The trick is adding them at the very end, so they stay bright green and don't get bitter. Look at that colour pop. This is how I start every weekend morning now. Second, pancakes. But here's where it gets interesting. These same leaves work incredible in savory pancakes. I know it sounds weird, but trust me on this. The garlic chive flavour gets mellow and sweet when cooked inside flour dough. Third, dumplings. You can also stuff them in dumplings, with eggs, meat, shrimp, or whatever you prefer. It greatly enhances the flavour and taste of your dumplings. Pause the video here and tell me in the comments if you've ever tried garlic chive dumplings. Fourth, stir-fried flouring stems. Now this is the chef's secret that most home cooks never discover. In midsummer, garlic chives send up these thin but sturdy flowering stems. Don't let them bloom. Cut them while they're still in pale buds. These are a short-lived treasure, prized in markets and kitchens across China. They're delicate, juicy, and have this incredible sweet, garlicky flavour. You literally get about a 3-week window each year for these. Miss it, and you wait until next summer. A bonus. The easiest way to use any part of the plant? Quick stir fry. Literally just throw them in at the end of cooking any vegetables or protein. Within seconds, your entire kitchen smells like this amazing garlicky perfume. What's your go-to stir-fry combo? Drop it in the comments. Want to grow these yourself? They're literally the easiest plant in my garden. Plant once, harvest for years. They grow back every time you cut them, need almost zero care. If you keep the soil fertile enough, we accomplish this by administering a thick layer of compost in winter when they are dormant. One plant gives me enough for cooking year-round. Which recipe are you trying first? Hit subscribe for more garden-to-table cooking, and I'll see you next week.